Hello again. Welcome to the sixth installment of Ask Austin. My name is Austin Hart, a financial advisor with Raymond James. If you're new to my videos, last week I did promise that we would touch again on Bitcoin, which we will do. We're also going to talk a little bit about the tax reform now that the tax bill has officially passed, and we'll talk about the impacts in 2018. First off with Bitcoin, back on December 10th, the Chicago Board Options Exchange did introduce Bitcoin futures contracts, and then on the 17th of December, the CME Group, another exchange, also introduced futures contracts. So what we talked about last week was what impact is that going to have on the price of Bitcoin and the future of Bitcoin. So far, we really haven't seen much to give any idea what we're expecting in the future. On the 10th, we did start seeing an increase in price once was introduced to the exchange, and then it peaked on December 17th when it was introduced to the CME Group's exchange. And so far this week, we've seen a decline gradually until we are to where we are today, which is December 21st, sitting around $15,000 per Bitcoin. So really, we haven't seen anything that's going to tell us anything about what to expect going forward. It has kind of stabilized in terms of the fact that the price hasn't gone up as much as it has, and it has actually gone down over the last 4 days gradually. So we'll see what impacts that have going forward, and we'll touch again on Bitcoin in the future, or if something else were to happen that I think would be important to note. Again, one thing to remember about Bitcoin, it is very speculative. It's extremely risky to invest any money in Bitcoin, whether it be directly or in any type of Bitcoin investment. So keep that in mind. If you have further questions about it, please do let me know. Bitcoin is not something that Raymond James allows for clients to invest in. So that's not something we would be able to help you with, but I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you do have. Now, on with tax reform. So the tax bill officially passed. There was some question whether that was going to get done this year or if that would get pushed on to next year. Well, it's passed. So what we're going to see is quite a bit of change, and we've already seen the immediate impacts of the corporate tax drop that we're going to see in 2018, with some companies already indicating that they're going to make some changes. A couple of those companies, Wells Fargo and Bank of America, have already come out and said that they're going to increase their minimum wage to $15 an hour across all platforms. So that affects, I think Bank of America said 75% of their payroll. So that's pretty impactful in terms of what occurred so quickly after that bill passed. Also, a couple of other companies, AT&T and Comcast, have both indicated that they're going to pay all of their employees $1,000 bonuses solely based on the tax bill being passed. So as time goes on, we're going to see what other corporations do if they follow suit, and what impacts that might have on some of the trends in the market in 2018. We don't really know what to expect in 2018, but we'll see if the tax bill reducing corporate taxes, see if that impacts any of the market trends in 2018. At this point, we don't know, but we'll keep you updated on what companies are kind of following suit with either reinvesting into their company or making payments out to their employees or increasing employee salaries, things like that. So we'll keep that in mind, and I'm sure that in the news you'll see many things about that. If you have questions about anything in particular that you see on the news, please don't hesitate to let me know. That's the end of this video. I did say I wanted to keep it brief, so I want to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and a great New Year. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I will be here. I do appreciate you watching my videos. If you enjoy the content, like it, share it, and again, if you have any questions or want me to cover something in a video in the future, please do put it in the comments, and I would be more than happy to cover it. Thanks again. Have a great day.